In today's video, I'm going to show you how to mark all Gmail emails as read in just a few simple steps. This is a quick and useful trick if your inbox is packed with unread messages and you want to clear the clutter fast. Whether you're cleaning up your personal inbox or just trying to stay organized, this method can save you a lot of time. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, go to mail.google.com and sign into your Gmail account. Once you're inside your inbox, look at the top of your email list. Right above your latest received Gmail, you'll see the Select button. Click that Select box first. This will let Gmail know that you want to choose messages in your inbox. Now, next to that Select button, you'll see a small drop-down icon. Click on that drop-down menu and select All. This changes the selection from just one email to every email currently in your inbox view. Once all your Gmail messages are selected, look for the Mark as Read icon. It usually looks like an open envelope, and that's the button you need to use to mark everything as read at once. Click it, and Gmail will instantly update all of the selected emails. And just like that, your inbox will be much cleaner and all those unread messages will be marked as read. This is one of the fastest ways to manage a crowded inbox without opening each email one by one. If this tutorial was helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more simple how-to guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.